People care about their looks more than ever, and that'll never fade.
The healthcare, the food industry, and personal care items are things that people buy every single day and have to use. You're going to have a job that's set forever.
As long as you're committed and whatnot, I mean, it's probably one of the quickest career paths possible, but it's one of those things you really got to put your all into.
Coming into Cosmo and barbering, I know that that's going to be a profession that is always going to be around.
Tomorrow's not promised, and working a dead-end job till you're 50 is not fulfilling in life, you know what I mean? By the time I'm 65, I'll be able to look over my own shop, my own clientele I've built up over years, and feel proud of myself, and I'll have money in my bank.
The potential of barbering and the income of it is crazy. I mean, you have the potential of making up to 6 figures.
I mean, you can excel and exceed as far as you want to go.
If you promote yourself in any way to be like, I have a huge mohawk.
And he actually holds the Guinness World Record for the biggest mohawk in the world.
So you put up the mohawk, go to shows, and people recognize you. You could be a sponsor for companies. You could do whatever you want in this business.
There's ways for you to get a paycheck every week. There's ways for you to be strictly booth rent if you're comfortable with that. There's ways for you to make commission and tips. I mean, there's no limit to how much money you can and can't make.
It really is an art. You're sculpting the hair into art.
I like people's individual styles. So being able to play a role in that, it appeals to me.
Performing on a human canvas, it's just really fun because as you're matching that style to the person's personality, you are creating a bond with that customer.
You don't have a mundane job where you're doing the same routine every single day. You never know what kind of customer you're going to get. You can color it, you can cut it, you can shape it. You can change that person when they get out of your chair.
I like straight razor shaves.
Straight razor shaves.
Straight razor shave.
Oh, straight razor shave.
Straight razor shave.
The straight razor shave.
That was the ultimate reasoning for barbering for me.
You know, straight razor shaves are a big thing that set us apart from, you know, being just cosmetologists and whatnot. It's strictly something that we can do.
Because it takes skill, like it's so sharp and you got to be precise with it.
It's just the tradition of being a great barber that you can do a straight shave.
Being a barber means you can be yourself without having to worry about a boss's expectation, because you're your own boss.
I'm 39 years old and I worked in the agriculture industry for 22 years. Unfortunately, as my kids got older and my wife and I wanted to start doing more things, it didn't allow the opportunity for any of that.
You can be your own boss and you make up your own hours, and really the freedom is there.
Freedom like that in a job is something I don't think a lot of other career opportunities have.
When you're set your own schedule and your own time, if you have an event that comes up with your family that you want to participate in, you can.
I love doing hair, but what I love most is my clients that sit in my chair.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite parts. Actually, more than doing hair is just meeting new people.
You know, most people think, oh, you don't get any rewards in your job, but you get to see the reward as each customer gets out of the chair.
Yeah, I love being able to make people feel good about themselves. When they get up and they look in the mirror and they're all like, you know, checking themselves out, it makes me feel good because I know they feel good.
And there's no better feeling than making someone feel good about themselves.
When you see someone get out of your chair and they just have a big smile because you just made their day, and just, it's very rewarding.
And this is going to sound so cliche, dude, but it really is kind of a family.
We're family here, and everyone looks out for each other. Everyone shows each other the way.
They act as if they've known me for years when I started.
Rogers as a whole is a family. I love the fact that whenever I first came to the school, I was welcomed with smiles. I was welcomed with, you're beautiful.
And like, they're judgment-free here. Like, everybody here is different, 100%. But whenever we're here, just everybody gets along somehow. I think that's really cool.
The environment here at Rogers is actually my favorite part about going to school here.
You're going to see more customers, you're going to get more experience, and there's better teachers here than at any of these other schools around here.
everything is the Rogers way, but let's apply newer age techniques to it, you know, and I think that's a really cool way to keep it because it sets them apart from how other schools would teach it.
The instructors used to be students here, and then they became instructors, so they want to come back and teach the students.
And that is one of my goals that I have made, is to become an educator for Rogers because I love the environment so much.
There's so much more they teach you here than just barbering skills. They actually care about you and want you to be successful in life.
As far as my journey may go and however far I choose to take it, I will always take pride that I chose Rogers.